morning, good afternoon, good day, good day, good day, good day, good day. I hope you have a wonderful start to your day. Today I'm going to be making fermented banana muffin cake, quick cake, and I'm going to walk you through the ingredients that I have. Let's get into it.
Sugar, 1 banana. I'm going to add more banana to that. Pumpkin seed, which I lightly crush, egg, oil, milk and vanilla, baking powder, baking soda. I have cinnamon, nutmeg, and cardamom. And I forgot, I need to add salt as well, so I'm gonna add salt at some point.
Oh, yes, so these are the ingredients that I have. So I'm gonna go in the mixer with banana, going with all the wet ingredients. I'm gonna go in first with all the wet ingredients. So I'm going with this plantain. So I have 1 banana and a plantain, a big plantain that I had fermenting for a long time. So yeah, we're going in with our banana and we're gonna blend this, mix this a bit to kind of crush it down some more.
See what's going on here. So we're going in with the banana first, then we're doing your egg, a bit of oil, mix it, and then we're going with our vanilla and milk. Sugar, and then we're going to go in with our dry ingredients. We need to add baking powder, baking soda, nutmeg, cinnamon, cardamom. And we're going to mix it, make sure everything is incorporated. And I'm going to go in with the salt, pinch of salt. Ooh, it's not a pinch, that more looks like a cup of salt. But yeah, you get the idea. Now we are going to add this to our liquid. And then we are going to start on low until everything is cooperated. Straight down the side. Going to spray down the side.
Now I'm gonna add a bit of the pumpkin seed and then mix it one more time, and then that's it. The pumpkin seed, you can use whatever nut you like, and this is optional. What the pumpkin seed does is add a bit of texture. So adding the nut is optional. You can add any nut of your choice. So in this case, I add pumpkin seed. Now we are done, and we're gonna put this in. I'm gonna clean this area and remove all the other pan to transfer it to. Clean up the area. Now I am going to grease the pan. At 250 degrees Celsius for about 14 minutes and see how it comes out. If not, we have to do it again. Here we are. We're gonna wait here for 14 minutes. Hey, it's that time again. I did all I had to do this morning, this afternoon. I took my rest, and now it's after 4 and I'm heading to the location. It's my last day of pop-up. It has been a wonderful 5 weeks, and yeah, so that's it. Of course, I'll take you with me. I am in that Gorda, my last day, and this is what I have. Oxtail that is gonna be served with the pasta. Le gusta?
Oh, yes. Why you gotta give me a warning? You should have got me at the beginning.
Okay. Provecho.
Gracias.
Provecho.
Gracias, muy rico.
It was a beautiful evening. Sales was good. And now I'm leaving. And I'm going to say stay positive, think on possibilities, and see you in the next video.